How to fix Safari not working on iPhone. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me go through the steps on how you can fix Safari not working on your iPhone. Well, to fix a non-working Safari on an iPhone, you must first restart your device. So scroll down, find the power off option and proceed to power it off, and then again turn it back on. You can also try clearing the history of Safari. So head over to Safari, tap on three dots there, and here you'll find various options here. But what you want to look for is the particular option here. So what you want to do is head over to settings. Once you head into settings, head into apps, and then head into the Safari app. So you can see Safari app. Now you can see here various options, right? You can either try and create a new profile, or you can clear the history and website data from here and reset the application, the Safari. So this will fix the issue. Also make sure that your iPhone is updated to the latest version, and also that your Safari is updated as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.